Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Latest ideas like handbag style and designer handbags, new and beautiful articles and designing, like different and beautiful ideas. And the color combination is very beautiful and style shapes, different colors and strap style like leather strap, uh, shoulder strap and handle stepping ideas and color combination like most beautiful ideas and yarn and hook size for the type of bag you want to create, and do not uh, skip this video. So please keep sharing and watching my video. And color combination to make your crochet handbags truly unique, happy crocheting and different and stripped bag and experiment with the straps of different widths and colors to create design and beautiful looks. Styling most beautiful, and feel free to customize your handbags with different stitch pattern. So enjoy your crocheting ideas and maybe in any loosey ends and your crochet handbag is ready to use. Colors and style most beautiful, latest idea. So I hope you like it.